In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use task templates in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to turn any well-structured task into a reusable template and how to quickly create new tasks from it to save time and keep your workflows consistent. First, head to the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This lets you authenticate using your Google account, which is quick and secure. Select your Google account to complete the sign-in. If your organization uses a different sign-in method, you can use that instead, but the rest of the steps will be the same once you're in Asana. After you're logged in, open the project where you want to work with templates. This is important because task templates are scoped to the project you're in. Once the project loads, pick an existing task that already represents the structure you want to reuse. Think of a task that has the right description, subtasks, custom fields, and maybe even attachments you'll want every time. Open that task, then look for the three dots menu, usually near the top right of the task pane. Click it to reveal more options. From this menu, choose Convert to, and then select Task Template. Asana will save this task as a template inside your project. Converting a task captures its structure so you don't have to rebuild it each time. It's a great way to standardize recurring workflows like onboarding, content production, QA checklists, or client handoffs. Now let's use the template. Back in your project view, find the Add Task button. Next to it, click the More Actions button to open extra options. Hover over Task to reveal the list of templates available in this project. You'll see the template you just created. Click it to create a new task based on that template. Asana will generate a fresh task pre-filled with the details from your template, so all you need to do is adjust specifics like the assignee, due dates, or any notes unique to this instance. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so teammates know when to use it. Consider including guidance in the task description, like what to check before marking it complete. If your template includes subtasks, make sure their order and owners make sense, since that structure will copy each time. And if your team relies on custom fields, confirm they're added to the project so the template can apply them consistently. That's it. You've logged in, converted a task into a template, and used it to spin up a new standardized task in seconds.